Whenever Australia qualifies in knockouts, eventually they won the cup.
2015 से एक तरह का न्यूजीलैंड का एक गोल्डन एरा चल रहा है और केन विलियमसन बड़ा अहम रोल प्ले कर रहा है.
Everybody loves New Zealand, but something tells me it's going to be Australia's day. They are just too ruthless when it comes to knockouts in ICC, like Pratik said.
यशवंत ने वो 3D मैट्रिक्स बना दिया है, पूरा इंटीग्रेशन ट्रिग्नोमेट्री सब लग के, और उसको बोल रहे टॉड एस्टल ले लो. अब वो ले नहीं रहा पानी को.
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी. फैंटेसी क्रिकेट और रियल क्रिकेट का अनोखा है ये खेल, where it is all about you, the cricket fans from all across the world. This show is brought to you by crickbattle.com. अगर आप भी हमारे साथ खेलना चाहते हैं, हमारे साथ जुड़ना चाहते हैं, ढेर सारे प्राइजेस जीतना चाहते हैं, then all you need to do is log on to sbk.crickbattle.com. You can also catch this as a podcast on Studio Scoops Official. दो धमाकेदार मैचेस के बाद we finally have our two finalists for the T20 World Cup, यानी कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड न्यूजीलैंड. और हमें ये बताते हुए खुशी होती है कि यशवंत, one of the खिलाड़ीज on the show, had predicted this long time ago.
I don't think last time it is a fair way that England won. I think it will be a 2015 repeat, Australia versus New Zealand, and I think again revenge will be taken.
अब इवेंचुअली रिवेंज विल बी टेकन बाय न्यूजीलैंड और नॉट, ये तो फाइनल के दिन ही पता चलेगा. लेकिन तब तक यू कैन जॉइन द कन्वर्सेशन बाय फॉलोइंग अस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम बाय सिंपली ड्रॉपिंग अ कमेंट. मीनवाइल हमारे फैंटेसी कंपटीशन यानी सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी वर्ल्ड कप का वॉर में आनंद इज लीडिंग द चार्ट्स विद अ इनविंसिबल लीड ऑफ 1300 पॉइंट्स. हाउएवर वी आर गोइंग टू स्पाइस अप द कंपटीशन विद अ फैंटेसी ड्राफ्ट स्पेशली फॉर द फाइनल्स. More on that later. लेकिन अभी के लिए आइए जानते हैं what our खिलाड़ीज have on mind for the upcoming grand finale between New Zealand and Australia as we huddle up with them in जुमलेबाजी. जैसा यशवंत ने कहा था, Australia versus New Zealand match is supposed to be a revenge match, a reverse of the 2015 matchup. But the question is, do the Black Caps have it in them to go all the way and tilt the scales in their favor?
I've already called it. Revenge तो होना है. It's due. But I think both of these teams are teams of great character. The skill level is outstanding. The captaincy is great. The teams are great.
Morals of both the teams will be high, क्योंकि ऑलमोस्ट गई हुई मैच वो लोग खींच के वापस लाए हैं, तो वैसे तो इक्वल है.
Australian has great bowlers like Zampa, Stark, Hazelwood, Cummins. So it's kind of even in terms of bowling, but batting is where Australia will pump, and especially with the way they've come into form.
ओवरऑल ऑन पेपर तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया ही फेवरेट है, लेकिन टॉस बड़ा अहम रोल प्ले करेगा.
If you see that Williamson has not played in this World Cup, Guptill has just played a good one innings, and like the Daryl Mitchell just played one good innings last match. So they have not been performing collectively. So I feel Australia has an edge over them.
Whenever Australia qualifies in knockouts, eventually they won the cup.
Hazelwood looks out of form थोड़ा, मतलब Hazelwood looks like one of the bowlers who was peaked early in the tournament and is not now performing. And Mitchell Stark also looks like a concern. So that is a problem for them also.
न्यूजीलैंड के जो सोडी और सेंटनर हैं वो फार बेटर हैं. जंपा या उसके साथ वो उसको मिला लें, मैक्सवेल को या किसी और बॉलर को.
टॉस विल बी अ वेरी क्रूशियल फैक्टर. अगर न्यूजीलैंड टॉस जीत के उन्होंने पहले बैटिंग की, पहले फील्डिंग की, तो एडवांटेज न्यूजीलैंड. बट if Australia won the toss, then definitely it's Australia's game.
Then again, heart has always been New Zealand. So for me, it's going to be New Zealand all the way.
Technically speaking, 2019 World Cup वो लोग हारे नहीं थे. I mean, it was the ICC stupid rule that made them lose the cup to England.
They were robbed.
Test championships they have won.
2015 से एक तरह का न्यूजीलैंड का एक गोल्डन एरा चल रहा है और केन विलियमसन बड़ा अहम रोल प्ले कर रहा है.
2011 सेमीफाइनलिस्ट.
ये मतलब वो अपने क्लास में वो वाले लड़के होते हैं यार, मैंने कल तो कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं है कल के एग्जाम के लिए, एंड देन दे कम टू द टॉप just out and you figure out how did that happen. New Zealand is that team.
If New Zealand manages to beat Australia And as you rightly mentioned that 2019 technically they were not defeated. So New Zealand could be the team. They would be holding all the ODI, Test Championship and T20 titles.
The recent record seems to be in favor of New Zealand. Lekin then, can you really rule out the Aussies in a big matchup? No. Well, on that note, let's have a look at the leaderboard to see which khiladi is standing where, and then we will also introduce you to the fantasy draft competition. फाफड़ा जलेबी के साथ हुआ चैलेंजर मुकाबले का सीधा फायदा सिद्धार्थ, प्रतीक, यशवंत और आनंद को हुआ है. They ended up doubling their points in the first semi-final. इसका मतलब ये भी होता है कि अब सेकंड पोजीशन के लिए मुकाबला बड़ा ही रंगीन होने वाला है. And we are going to further spice it up with the fantasy draft. Fantasy draft is actually very simple. आने वाली मैच यानी कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया वर्सेस न्यूजीलैंड के लिए हमारे 8 खिलाड़ी बारी बारी 3 यूनिक प्लेयर्स चूज करेंगे, and their actual performances on ground will translate into points and will have a 2x automatically attached to it. Also, not to forget, there is a 2500 rupees cash prize for the one who tops the fantasy draft. तो आइए देखते हैं आने वाली ऑस्ट्रेलिया वर्सेस न्यूजीलैंड फाइनल मैच के लिए हमारे खिलाड़ी कौन से 3 प्लेयर्स चुन रहे हैं.
All the best. I'm starting the draft.
Yes, please go ahead.
Started. My team already has 6 Australians, so I want to take New Zealanders. That's the plan that I've come in with.
जो भी 4 लोग जीते उसके अमन के सामने 2x में सबको डैरिल मिशेल ने बचाया, लेकिन मुझे डैरिल मिशेल और निशम दोनों ने बचाया था. वो 10 बॉल 27 जो खेला ना, निशम सिर्फ मेरी टीम में था, दूसरे किसी की टीम में नहीं था.
मेरा वाइस कैप्टन था,
लेकिन तेरे को बचाया नहीं ना,
क्योंकि मेरे में मिचेल नहीं था.
Oh, Udeban's taken Aaron Finch. Breaking news: Udeban's taken Aaron Finch.
अरे ये कैसे हुआ यार? Come on यार.
यशवंत की थियरी बहुत सिंपल है. गप्टिल एक मैच खेलता है, वो मैच वो खेल चुका है, तो गप्टिल अब नहीं खेलेगा.
तो है कौन न्यूजीलैंड बैटर फिर?
G Company, it's your turn.
I'm thinking between Stark and Warner, yeah.
Stark and Warner.
Go for Stark.
9.5 and 10.5 Those are the budgets. In case you just want to see if
Yeah.
they'll really fit into
बजट
your
का
level
क्या
or not.
लेना देना है फिलहाल? बजट का तो कोई सीन ही नहीं है ना.
बस यशवंत कंफ्यूज कर रहा है बस.
I'll tell you a theory. You're able to play a team with 14 players and 4 captains. That's how I'm looking at it.
Correct.
So those who I can't take in the 11, I'm trying to take them here.
अमेजिंग. कोई बोल्ट ही नहीं ले रहा है यार, क्या हो रहा है ये?
-8, no, last game. -8. That's why.
He's contender of player of the tournament and nobody wants to pick him.
The man of the match of the semi-final. Historically, they score less than 10 runs.
Harold Mitchell.
Who's the semi-final man of the match?
Pratik ji, bad take. Mitchell Stark will yoke him.
I had no issue. He will lemon cut it for 4.
Okay.
I also have a feeling Santner might have a good game.
I think Siddharth has the best position of all. He gets to pick the first best player, and then
Yes.
he gets 2 back-to-back average very good players. Yashwant has gone into Boman Irani 3 idiots. वो दोनों hand से writing करने वाला.
यशवंत ने वो 3D मैट्रिक्स बना दिया है, पूरा इंटीग्रेशन ट्रिग्नोमेट्री सब लग के, और उसको बोल रहे टॉड एस्टल ले लो. अब वो ले नहीं रहा पानी को. I have taken Glenn Maxwell.
Okay,
good,
I think
yeah.
it's a good pick. Glenn Maxwell is a good pick.
Very good, very good.
He is not really fired in this tournament yet. Tomorrow might be his day.
He's still under RCB hangover. I don't think he will fire.
पर आरसीबी में तो यार चमत्कार किया है उसने.
हाँ, इसीलिए तो अभी नहीं खेलेंगे ना. You see, no RCB player has performed this in the World Cup.
इतने पैसे में इतना ही मिलेगा.
बस इतना ही.
तुम ले लो ना फिलिप्स, सिद्धार्थ.
वो मेरा स्ट्रेटेजी था वो लोगों को कंफ्यूज करने का, ताकि मेरा मैक्सवेल बचा रहे. समझा नहीं तब से. मैं पूरा राउंड मैंने ऐसे प्लेयर के नाम लिए जस्ट टू so that people don't think about Maxwell.
Pat Cummins चला गया.
Amazing
What
three.
the shit, man! I wanted Pat Cummins. What is Udeban not being here also and getting lucky like this, यार? Smith or Adam Milne. That is my choice now.
Leave Smith, leave Adam Milne.
तो क्या लॉकी फर्ग्यूसन को ले लूं?
Yeah, best.
I've picked Martin Guptill, Tom Seifert, and Ish Sodhi, and I think it is a good balance because Australia के new ball bowlers can pick a couple of wickets. The hope is Martin Guptill survives.
My 3 picks are Zampa, and Maxwell and Phillips. So I think I'm also pretty happy with my picks, especially Zampa and Maxwell.
So my picks are Josh Hazelwood, Daryl Mitchell, and Marcus Stoinis. Josh Hazelwood has just not fired in one match. Means he is in form. Daryl Mitchell opens the batting, and on his day, what he can do, everyone knows. So that's why Daryl Mitchell.
So my three picks are Steve Smith, Trent Bolt, and Mitchell Marsh. Trent Bolt is the go-through bowler for the New Zealand. He's gonna bowl 4 overs, and if New Zealand wants to win this game, he has to pick wickets up front and the death also.
David Warner, he's going to get me 140 plus 50 man of the match, so 190 points. Mitchell Starc will give me another 90 points, 2 wickets, and maybe a maiden or economy. So that's 280 from 2. And Adam Milne, I think I can't expect much, but 3 overs to Dalega, if not 4. So I think 340, 350 points among my 3 players, and I'm good to roll.
Yeah, my 3 picks were, they were exactly my number 1, number 2, and number 4 of my priority list when I walked into the draft. Ken Williamson, James Neesham, and Mitchell Santner. I'm looking at it as an opportunity to play 14 players and 4 captains. So I wanted to get 14 out of 22, which is in line with where I am. Otherwise, I wouldn't have taken these players because of the budget issues.
इस फैंटेसी ड्राफ्ट के स्कोर्स को ओवरऑल लीडर बोर्ड के साथ ऐड कर दिया जाएगा, which means the first and second position is again going to be an interesting play as we near to the finishing line of सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी World Cup का award. Having said that, we are all eagerly waiting for the Australia versus New Zealand final. I tell you, I can smell a close finish. एक तरफ तो T20 World Cup का final, फिर Australia is looking for their first T20 title and New Zealand is looking for revenge. What more can a cricket fan ask for? Till we meet again, eat cricket, sleep cricket, and of course talk about cricket, because cricket is not just a game, it is the game.